With that, let's move on to a question that's coming on Twitter now. We have Pramod has tweeted in. Now, Pramod wants to know suggestions of locations in Trivandrum to invest in. Jayashree, Trivandrum, that's a market that we don't hear too much of, but if I'm not mistaken, these are also, Kochi Trivandrum market is also something that you had pointed out earlier, where you get very good rentals.
Yeah. You are, if you're buying near the IT hubs, you get good rental returns, and that's probably why these two markets have started hotting up. And in the Trivandrum is a very structured market, Kavita. A lot of new development happening, and I see that this development is across this, more or less across the city, from places like Kaudiyar, which is the center of Trivandrum, to a lot of places. I think Karyavattam, Kuruvankonam, I see Patur Junction. There are new developments happening. So you do see properties across the area. Try and buy into a property that is servicing the IT sector, and you will get regular returns if you are an investor. So that's my advice to them. And what did Pramod want? Somewhere in Trivandrum, is it?
He wanted good locations in Trivandrum for investment. And taking off from your answer, what I would like to ask you on Pramod's behalf is, you said look for IT-driven locations. Now, which are the IT-driven markets in Trivandrum where he should probably, invest in residential property that he could rent out?
See, the IT markets are normally the areas closer to the airport, because that's easier to access. And there are places like Patur Junction, there are places like even central Trivandrum. A lot of people from the IT sector have been coming, Kaudiyar for instance, and you do see a lot of development happening there. I would say that if a 2 BHK unit, you would get about 1,000 to about 1,200 square feet apartment, and a 3 BHK is normally in the 1,400 to 1,800 square feet range. There are some apartments which are much larger than that as well. You should be able to get between about 38-40 lakh to about 78-80 lakh. That is the range you will get. But I've seen that in the Trivandrum market, some of the investors have actually been able to get, when you invest in early stages, by the time the property is ready, the prices are more or less, in the last 3 years, I've seen the price of property doubling in many instances with good developers. So choose a good developer, choose somebody with a track record. Check out all the approvals and buy into later stages of the development, so that you can get a property and lease it out, because the lease rentals are fairly good here.
What are the fairly good lease rentals? You've already caught everybody's interest over there, Jayashree. You told us that prices have doubled in the last 3 years. This was a time when the rest of India's property markets largely saw a lull. And if prices have actually doubled over here, what kind of rentals can we expect?
For very small properties, you would get between 12,000 to about 20,000. That small properties would be by Trivandrum standards would be 900 to about 1,200 square feet. You would get about 12,000 to 15,000. If you have large units, which is about 1,800 to 2,000 square feet, you are able to get even 35 to 40,000 if it is well furnished and and close to the IT park.
That's a rental yield of 5% and more?
Yeah. I'm sorry?
I was asking you about the rental yields.
I'm sorry?
The rental yields in that particular market.
Rental yield would be close to about 3 to 5%. It's a very good rental yield. Again, I'm saying near the IT market. In places that are far away from the IT market, the rentals are lower. You would get a yield of about 2 to 3%.
So clearly, Pramod, you have zeroed in on a market that has started growing, and you've caught it at the right time. Obviously, the prices have doubled in the last 3 years. You're looking at a rental yield of 3 to 5%. Remember, across the country and even in markets like Mumbai, you do not get more than a 2% rental yield on your apartment, which means a 3 to 5% rental yield is huge in the Indian market. So clearly a great market to invest in. Ensure that you buy close to the airport and into a market that is serviced by the IT sector.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.